Soccer coach charged with murder. After missing 13-year-old boy, found dead, a community's nightmare. Imagine the chilling silence when a child vanishes. Now, picture that silence shattered by the grim discovery of a young life taken too soon. This is the reality gripping the San Fernando Valley as a youth soccer coach stands accused of murdering one of his own players. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. On a somber Wednesday, the body of 13-year-old Oscar Omar Hernandez was discovered near Leo Carrillo State Beach in Oxnard, California. The location, a desolate stretch off a lonely road, became the final chapter in a missing person case that had gripped the community with fear and uncertainty. Mario Edgardo Garcia Aquino, a figure of authority and mentorship, now faces the gravest of accusations: murder. The district attorney's office filed charges on Monday, including special circumstances, signaling the severity of the alleged crime and the potential for the harshest penalties. Oscar Omar Hernandez was reported missing by his distraught family on March 30th. The young boy, a resident of the San Fernando Valley, had failed to return home after a visit to an acquaintance in Lancaster, a routine trip that tragically spiraled into a nightmare. Adding a layer of chilling complexity, authorities revealed that Oscar had visited Garcia Aquino just 2 days before his disappearance. This detail casts a long, dark shadow over the coach's role and intensifies the scrutiny of the investigation. The murder charge is not the only shadow hanging over Garcia Aquino. He also faces a separate felony charge of assault with intent to commit a lewd act, the victim in this case being a 16-year-old boy. The alleged incident occurred in Palmdale on February 22, 2024, months before Oscar's disappearance. Garcia Aquino was arrested on Wednesday on this charge, further complicating the legal proceedings and raising disturbing questions about his past behavior. District Attorney Nathan Hochman, in a statement laden with grief and determination, expressed his deepest sympathy for the Hernandez family. He vowed to pursue justice relentlessly, ensuring that Garcia Aquino is held accountable for his alleged actions. Hochman's words painted a stark picture of the alleged crime, describing the acts as brutal, heinous, unspeakable, unthinkable. While details on how Oscar was killed remain undisclosed, the DA's language underscores the gravity of the situation and the commitment to uncovering the truth. The stakes are impossibly high. If convicted of murder with special circumstances, Garcia Aquino faces the potential of life without parole or the ultimate penalty, the death penalty. The weight of these potential sentences reflects the profound loss and the community's demand for justice. Adding to the potential consequences, Garcia Aquino could face an additional 6 years in prison for the assault charge involving the 16-year-old boy. He is scheduled to appear in court on Tuesday, where the legal battle for truth and accountability will begin. Authorities are making a direct appeal to the public, urging anyone with information related to the case to come forward. They are particularly concerned about the possibility of additional victims and are reaching out to those who may have been harmed by Garcia Aquino. Los Angeles County Sheriff Robert Luna emphasized that support and protection will be provided to anyone who comes forward, regardless of their immigration status. He assured potential witnesses of their safety and well-being, underscoring the importance of reporting any relevant information. The investigation is far from over. Authorities are diligently pursuing every lead, driven by the concern that there may be other victims who have yet to come forward. The revelation that Garcia Aquino was a youth travel soccer coach in the Sylmar area adds another layer of complexity to the case. Prior to these charges, Garcia Aquino had no reported criminal history, making the allegations all the more shocking and difficult to comprehend. The community is reeling from the loss of Oscar Omar Hernandez, a young life extinguished too soon. Family and friends are gathering in vigils, their hearts heavy with grief, to honor Oscar's memory and find solace in shared sorrow. Family members attended the press briefing, their silence speaking volumes about the pain and devastation they are enduring. Family and friends of Oscar paid tribute to the teen on Thursday at the site where the body was found on the side of a road in Oxnard. The makeshift memorial serves as a poignant reminder of the young life lost and the enduring impact of this tragedy. This case serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that exist within our communities and the importance of vigilance in protecting our children. We must stand together to ensure that justice is served for Oscar Omar Hernandez and that no other child suffers a similar fate. If you have any information related to this case, or if you or someone you know has been a victim of abuse, please contact the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department immediately. Your voice can make a difference. Furthermore, let us support organizations dedicated to child safety and abuse prevention. By donating our time, resources, and voices, we can create a safer environment for all children and work towards a future where such tragedies are prevented. Let Oscar's memory be a catalyst for change, inspiring us to protect the most vulnerable members of our society and demand justice for those who have been harmed.